I danas ljudi igramo Red Dead Redemption jedinicu, ali igramo DLC, a DLC je Undead Nightmare, to je jedna zombi apokalipsa i da, igramo tu kao glavni lik originalnog i najgori deo ovoga jeste to što sam igrao već malo i apsolutno nemam pojma šta da uradim. Ajde, evo ga. Okej, znači, da, ovo je Red Dead Redemption, igram na kompu, ako niste znali, izašlo je sad u oktobru za komp. Aj, uzmimo ovo. Okej, ide nam je konj. Da vidimo. Evo ga. Okej. Doći. Ajde, idemo sad u Blackwater.
Let's go.
Ajde.
Come on. There we go.
Što je ovo neka... Okej. Vidi koze. Nadam se da nisu zombi koze. Neću trošiti metko. I uživajte još dok vas ne pojedu neki zombi. Samo jednoga Blackwater. Da. Ponovo mi malo laguje. Evo nas. Došli smo u Blackwater. Pa da. Ovo je naša misija, tako da... ne može se da preskoči. Ću ga ovdje staviti. Okej. Vidimo što je sad ovo. Shit. Zombi. Mislim, nema naravno. Za sada. Shit, ima ih puno. Brate. Vam se ništa rekao. Mogu biti kauboj. Kao neki mini bol.
Damn you! Seth? Finally, I'm joining you. Ah, come on! Damn this godforsaken shithole!
To. Ajme i ovdje da.
Not again!
Nisam ništa od metkova.
Claw in my back, I'll claw in yours.
O, šta je ovo? To je to. Tako je. Sad idemo ovaj. I još. Dobio puno metkova, to je strava. Ili su to dobio... Ne znam. Ok, sad bi valjda trebalo da ima manje zombi u gradu ili što već, ne znam. Šta ja pričam, nemam pojma, samo pogađam. Let's go, horsey. Moj mali konjić. A, joj, šta je sad ovo? Što toliko leguje?
Help! I can't hold out much longer!
Dobro, to nisam morao. Okej, treba da pomognemo ovim ljudima.
What have you got for me, miss? Give the devil my regard. Good heavens! I knew it! Man, you stink.
Dobro da sada idem. Kako njima da pomognu?
You gonna play nice now? You smell like death.
No shit. Šta je to muzika?
I'd be more of a gentleman if you'd be more of a lady.
A ovdje ja sam čorav, brate. Da.
Give him hell for him.
Yes. Ajme ga jednu tamo. Oh shit. Ne. Ne, hoću da vas dole. Ne sad. Ah, shit. Pa daj, brate.
Now maybe you'll stay dead.
Da nećeš malo da staneš.
Don't you come alive again now. Stay away from me.
Eto.
Salesman ahead. Now apocalyptic.
Power of the Lord compels you.
Oh shit.
Znači sad je dan. A, to je ovaj zavezan. Sad ću da ga odnesem kod onih da se oni reše njega ako hoće. A ne mogu da idem. Iđi konjiću.
There we go.
Uživaj.
Go.
Is it over? Have we survived?
Ovdje su... A, svi su preživljavali. Okej, izvini. Idemo. Preživjeli neki. Čekaj, je li ono dač?
Folks okay?
Just fantastic. I just saw my daughter get eaten by some creature sent straight from hell. Thanks for asking.
I'm kind of sorry I did.
Sorry, mister. Forgive my wife. We've suffered terribly.
What's going on?
But it's the government's fault.
Ain't it always?
Well, they let in too many foreigners. Just shut the goddamn border, or things like this happen. My daughter was just some satanic demon's lunch because of the goddamn government. I pay my taxes. Well, usually.
I think we may be moving a little off topic here. I ain't a wise man, but I have done a little traveling. These creatures ain't like any foreigners I've ever seen.
Thanks for the input, cowpoke. I got flesh-eating monsters feasting on my family, and I'm taking advice about tolerance from a gunslinger. What in the world has my life come to? And my daddy told me I never should have gotten married. This is all your fault, you useless man!
Oh, not now, Doreen. Not this again. Your daddy was a bully and a drunk.
Well, you ain't no kind of man!
Listen! I'm sorry to interrupt your happy reminiscences. Is there anything I can do to help? You got any idea of how we can survive?
You could try shooting them creatures, you dumb fool.
Ma'am, it's been a real pleasure. Sir, you're a man of great patience.
See? That filler ain't hiding away like a little girl who's wet herself.
I thought we agreed we should stick together.
If we either starve or have to eat each other,
What do you
Nemam
want
šta
me to
dobro
do?
da
I
kažem,
ain't
iskreno.
God.
that surely is the way. Oh, you're as useless as a four-car.
Hey, you one of them, mister?
Do I look like one of them?
Don't come no closer. We made that mistake before, lost half our number.
I ain't one of them, you fool.
Well, Well, how do I know?
They can't speak.
I ain't taking no chances.
Kill him! He's one of them!
Yeah.
No, I ain't.
Don't take no chances, Silas.
Have it your way, all right? Listen. I ain't coming no closer. Do you know what's going on?
It's the glass eye! The freak with a glass eye! He caused this!
No. It's the snake oil man. These poor folks have been drugged.
I blame the Mexicans. They haven't been struck down.
All right, we heard a lot of stories, mister. Some say it's a moon, some say it's drugs. Hey, don't come no closer now. Stand back. Apparently it's worse in New Austin. Must be where it came from.
And it looks like I'm headed down to New Austin. Did one of you say snake oil?
It's the glass eye!
I blame the Mexicans.
Oh, Connie McTavish, you don't know nothing! You always was an ignorant shrew! I bet your husband's glad he's dead!
Well, at least my husband never took favors from the stargazers Lucille Billings gave.
You
Malo
say
me-
you're sorry, you hillbilly white trash!
Yeah, now how we gonna rebuild America like this? Now, see, I thought we had it all decided. We was gonna be kind and gentle and pay homage to our leader, who happens to be me.
Sounds like you folks have this all worked out. Have yourself a fine America. And good luck.
We never had that decided. We decided we would hold elections and that I would be leader.
You can't even read.
Well, I got gravity.
Definitivno nije zombi za vas.
I mean, folk respect me.
I am the new king, Archibald Andrews, me. Now pay homage.
Jadno. Mada to se desi kada se svađate oko gluposti. Kad ne shvatate apokalipsu. Ali... Da, nekako su mi nerealne. Neću ja sad da se pravim ko da sam neki profesionalac ili ko da, ne znam, sam igrao 100 igrica ili tako nešto. Ali, ko da sam odrasla osoba, ali... Ne znam, nerealne su mi njihove reakcije zato što bih očekivao više da plaču i da budu tužni oko toga što su izgubili tako decu, mislim, ne znam, svoje bliske. What the hell? Zestije. Shit. Šta je ovo? Bitch. Ne. Shit. Fuck. Živo je.
Now maybe you'll stay calm.
Zašto je ovaj zombi još uvijek živ? O bože. Da. Oh my god, zašto mi toliko leguje?
I'm beginning to lose my patience.
Također. Bukni više govno jedno. Gledno baš moram da... Ne, mislim da je obavezno da upucam u glavu da bi umrli. Su ga ubacili u neku vatru. Čuti. Ne, čuti. Ajde. Evo, malo samo da te... bilo. A daj, ajde, nije vruće, samo je toplo malo. Brate. Ne znam. Ajde onda ljudi, vidimo se u drugom videu i aj, čao.